Koala Writer AI, the fastest way to create SEO content. Have you ever wished you could create a full, search engine optimized article in minutes, without endless research or writer's block slowing you down? Well, that's exactly what Koala Writer AI promises. And today on NeuroShift AI, we're going to see if it lives up to the hype. Koala Writer isn't your average AI writing tool. While most AI generators churn out generic text, Koala Writer is designed with SEO performance in mind. That means it doesn't just write, it writes with the goal of ranking high on Google. Here's how it works. You start by entering your topic or keyword. Let's say, best travel destinations for 2025. Koala Writer then uses live web data combined with AI to generate an article outline. It suggests headings, subheadings, and even SEO-friendly titles. From there, it crafts a complete, polished article, often in less than 3 minutes. No extra formatting, no spending hours checking facts, it's built to be ready to publish. And unlike some AI tools, Koala Writer integrates directly with WordPress, so you can send your article straight to your site. One of the most impressive features is its ability to adapt to different tones and audiences. Want a casual blog post? No problem. Need a formal, research-backed article? It can do that too, and all while keeping Google ranking in mind. For content creators, affiliate marketers, or bloggers, Koala Writer can become a game changer, helping you publish more, faster, and with better SEO targeting. But here's where things get really powerful. If you pair Koala Writer with a voice tool like ElevenLabs, the AI voice generator we reviewed in our last video, you can turn those blog posts into narrated videos or podcasts in minutes. That means one piece of content can live across multiple platforms, multiplying your reach. And in our next video, we're taking things even further. We'll be testing Opus Clip, the AI tool that instantly turns long videos into short, viral clips perfect for social media. So if you want to speed up your writing with Koala Writer, give your words a voice with ElevenLabs, and then supercharge your content for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram with Opus Clip. You're going to love what's coming next. This has been NeuroShift AI, helping you work smarter, not harder, with the power of AI. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a future video.